Dry Granulating Process Line, LD, HZD, LT, NTY, LG, LD, NTD. Tablet Press, LT, NTY, BGK, LD, QD, LD. Solid Dosage Process Line of Dry Granulating Commentaries. Solid dosage process line of dry granulating includes HZD series bean blender, NTY series farmer lifter, LG series roll compactor, NTD series farmer lifter, NTY series farmer lifter, BGK series high efficiency film coater, QD series bean washing station, and etc. The process line adopts PLC and inverter control, is an all-in-one machine with mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic equipment. It is widely used in pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries. It complies entirely with FDA and GMP requirements. Push the loaded bean into the HZD series bean blender for the mixing work. First, push the loaded bean into the HZD series bean blender frame. Then start the control procedure. Infrared safety sensor is activated. Then the bean is lifted to the set position and tightly clamped. And bean blender can start working according to the preset mixing time and speed. When mixing is over, bean will automatically orientate to a vertical position, then goes down to the ground. Take the bean out of the blender frame. The process is finished. Push the loaded drum to the lifting fork of the NTY series farmer lifter and move to LG series roll compactor. Switch on lifting switch. When the drum is lifted to set height, turn the drum 180 degrees and align drum discharging port with roll compactor charging port. Connect drum butterfly valve with roll compactor charging port perfectly. When this process is finished, start granulating process. LG series roll compactor has two charging methods, vacuum charging and farmer lifter charging. Start LG series roll compactor control procedure. Set process parameters. Open discharge butterfly valve and transport material to pressure chamber by helical conveyor. After extrusion of two high-pressure, high-density laminar generates and being cut into pieces through cut system, finally by the action of a milling blade and sifter to get required granules. Transport the granules by vacuum charging system to farmer bean for next process, and granulating process is finished. Push the bean into the lifting fork support of the NTD series farmer lifter. Switch on lifting. When the bean is lifted to the set height, connect the butterfly valve of the bean to the charging port of the tablet press machine and open the valve. Material is dispensed in the tablet press machine. Meanwhile, push a drum to the tablet press machine discharging port. Start tablet press work. When the process is completed, push the drum to the lifting fork of NTY farmer lifter in the BGK series high-efficiency film coater. Open charging door of film coater. Switch on lifting. When the drum is lifted to the charging height, turn the drum 180 degrees and align lifter discharging port center with coater charging port center, and slowly put the discharging port inside coater chamber. Open butterfly valve to discharge material in the rotary coating drum. After discharging, move away the farmer lifter. Lift the drum to initial position and finish the process. Close coater charging door. Start BGK series high-efficiency film coater control procedure. Tablets move along the rotary coating drum clockwise. Then start binder spray system. The binder is atomized and uniformly applied on tablets. Meanwhile, start hot air drying, with tablets move continuously in the rotary drum. Coating film is gradually formed on the tablet surface. After coating finish, install the automatic discharge device. Discharge finished tablets to the drum and finish the process. After coating process, Switch on WIP system. Wash the coat with tap water, washing detergent, and pure water. After which, turn on drain valve. Start pipe reserve blow and finish washing process. Then start hot air drying stage. Set inlet air temperature and begin the process. Cool air is sucked in by blower through filter and heat exchanger, and then blow hot air in the coater chamber. The air is exhausted by air exhaust valve at both sides. After drying, the machine stops working. After working process, push the used beam into QD series automatic washing station for washing. When starting work, open the intake door of the automatic washing station. Push the beam in the washing chamber and close the door. The washing ball located on the top part of the washing chamber will come down to the required position. The turn plate starts automatically and rotates during the full washing procedure. Then the washing station will run according to the set procedure. Pre-washing applies tap water. Tap water pressure is raised by the boost pump inside the pump station, which and flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for being internal and the external surfaces cleaning. Followed with tap water pre-washing, hot water washing cycle runs automatically. In this stage, the heat exchanger inside of the pump station works and the hot water pressure is raised by the boost pump inside the pump station and flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for being internal and external surfaces cleaning. After the hot water washing procedure, system loads automatically the detergent washing procedure. In this stage, the detergent unit in the pump station prepares the detergent solution, and the boost pump increases the pressure of the detergent solution. Then it flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for being internal and the external surfaces cleaning. Finished detergent washing cycle. Pure water washing runs as final cleaning cycle. The pure water pressure is raised by the boost pump inside the pump station and flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for being internal and the external surfaces final cleaning. When the washing is finished, the system loads automatically the compressed air blow procedure. It blows out the remaining pure water inside of the pipes. Upon finishing with compressed air flow, drying cycle starts automatically. Taking air is guided into the washing chamber through primary filter, medium filter, heat exchanger, and HEPA filter by the air fan. The bean is then dried by the hot air blowing from the upper and lower inlets. Air cooling is followed as final process upon finishing drying procedure. Taking air is guided into the washing chamber through filters by the air fan. The bean is then air-cooled by the air blowing from the upper and lower inlets. Finishing complete cleaning process, open the chamber door, take out the clean bean and transfer it into clean area.